Hey everyone, I will be showing you the best easy clothing glitches that work after the latest patch 1.67. Now, most of these glitches do work for the male and female character, and you won't need to delete no outfits for this video. As always, like this video, subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight into the video. Now for the first clothing glitch, I will be showing you on how to get the OG Juggernaut outfit onto any saved outfit. This works for old and new gen console and also works for the female male character. Now, you will need to make your way over to any clothing store on the map with your saved outfit. If you're wondering on how I got a high rank, $16 trillion, modded KDs, super fast run, all these modded outfits, and this modded account, well, I got this from hyperresupply.com. This is the #1 boosting platform for services for GTA 5 Online. You can buy modded cars, modded outfits, modded accounts. If you want to add stuff onto your current account, they have stuff. They have all different types of accounts. And also, if you want to even save more money, at checkout, use code REBEL to get 10% off your next order. Now, once you're there, go over to the top section, go over to the vest, and put on the black vest. Now, you will need to make sure you do not have any accessories on your character like that. Now, go over to the vest shirts and buy the white band vest shirt. Now, go over to the front counter, save this as an outfit at the front counter on slot #1. Now, you will need to go over to the heist coveralls and buy anyone that have a gas mask on. Now, make your way over to the pier so you could do the telescope glitch over there. Now, once you're there, do the telescope glitch, apply the saved outfit we just made once, walk away from the telescope and close the interaction menu, and you should see the gas mask merge onto the saved outfit like this. Now, once that's over with, go over to the mask store, save your current outfit on the first outfit slot, back out from the mask store, and apply the saved outfit we just made 4 or 5 times very quickly so the game could save. Now, once it does save, open up your pause menu, go over to the online, go over to the play jobs, go over to Rockstar Created, go over to the missions, and start up the mission called A Titan of a Job. Now, you should be loading inside of a job mission like this. Just go over to confirm settings and launch the mission by yourself. And once you do load in, you should have invisible arms. And if you do not have invisible arms, just restart the GTA 5 application and reload a Titan of a Job mission. Now, once you do have invisible arms like this, the ammunition store, save your current outfit on the first outfit slot, then pull up your phone and quit the job to the job just to your phone. And once you do load into a random lobby, you will need to steal any street vehicle off the street and make your way over to the mask store. Now, park the vehicle in front of the mask store, not too close. Open up your interaction menu, and you will need to equip and call up the ballistic armor through your interaction menu. Now, if you do not have it, you can always unlock it by doing research. Now, after you do call it up, make sure you do not get it. Get inside of the street vehicle, and once it does land, basically what you need to do is push the ballistic armor like this all the way to the mask store till the ballistic armor is touching the mask store on the left side. Now, this part's very important and tricky. So what you need to do is basically walk and touch the mask store and press right on the D-pad and touch the Juggernaut outfit at the exact same time and spam right on the D-pad at the exact same time, and you should be at the mask store like this. Now wait about 10 seconds or so and you should get kicked from the mask store. Now once you do get kicked from the mask store, you should have the Juggernaut outfit like this. Open up your interaction menu, go over to the map blimp options. Now go over to the jobs, go over to the customs, and make sure the King of the Hill and stunt race is set on show. Now go over to the blue marker and press right on the D-pad so you can start it up. Now once you do load into the job mission like this, don't really mess with nothing, just basically quit out the mission like this, and the Juggernaut outfit should appear and disappear like this, but that's fine. You will need to register as Secure Reserve on the Secure Reserve Management. Go over to the style and click one to the right and one to the left. Now, after you've done that, you will need to open up a pause menu, go over to online, and you will need to start up the mission called It's a G Thing. Now, if you do not have that job available, just tell someone to invite you. Now, make sure you put the clothing on player saved outfits, invite at least one person to help you out, and once they do join, just launch the mission. Now, on the owned outfit selection, click one to the right. Now, both are already up, so the mission can start. Now, once you do load in, you should have the modded outfit still on like this. Now what you need to do is open up your pause menu, go over to online and click creator and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now ignore this blue menu like this. All you need to do is open up your pause menu, go over to online and load into a invite only session. And once you do load in, you should see you have the Juggernaut outfit again. And eventually give it like 20 seconds or so, the Juggernaut outfit should disappear. You will need to make sure you're registered as Secure Reserve and find any street vehicle off the street. Now, once you've done that, on the Secure Reserve Management, go over to the style. You will need to enter the vehicle. Once you enter the vehicle on the Secure Reserve style, click one to the right, one to the left, close the interaction menu and exit the vehicle, and you should have the Juggernaut outfit like this. As long as you save this as an outfit, the Juggernaut outfit will stick. Yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and let's move on to the other clothing glitch of this video. Now, for this clothing glitch, I will be showing you a simple way on how to get a ripped hoodie onto any saved outfit. This only works for the male character and works for old and new gen consoles. Now, you will need to make your way over to any clothing store on the map with your saved outfit, doesn't really matter, or your color joggers. Go over to the top section, go over to the hoodies and purchase the 42 one, 43 one, or 44 one hoodie. It doesn't matter, just at least these three only work for some reason. Now you will need to go over to the shirts and purchase any of the last shirts, and as you can see, the shirt glitches / rips through the hoodie and it will stick as long as you save this as an outfit. Now let's move on to the other clothing glitch of this video. I will be showing you a cool method on how to get any heist coverall pants with the headscarf. So it kind of looks cool. It looks like a Taliban character, like in a army game, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, this works for old and new gen female male character. Go over to the front counter, go over to the heist coveralls and buy anyone that have a gas mask on. Now go over to the boots, purchase any boots that let you keep the heist coveralls outfit on still. Now go over to the mask store, go over to the headscarves and buy any headscarves that will match your heist coveralls pants. Then back out from the mask store once you're done, and you should have the headscarf with the heist coveralls matching. It's up to you, and yeah, this does stick as long as you save this as an outfit. Now let's move on to the other clothing glitch of this video. Now this is a cool clothing glitch for the female character only. This works for old and new gen consoles. Basically, you could add like tons of different clothing onto your saved outfit, which is pretty cool. Now make your way over to any clothing store on the map with your female character. Now onto there, go over to the biker outfits and purchase the zombie one. Should be the last one available. Now go over to the overcoats and buy any overcoat that has the word parka in it. Doesn't really matter. Now you need to go over to the overcoat blazers and buy any overcoat blazer, and you should see you should automatically have a t-shirt with a turtleneck with options to turn the turtleneck and the overcoat different colors, which is pretty cool. Now let's move on to the other clothing. I will be showing you a cool way on how to get like a banana belt. Yes, you heard that correctly. This works for old and new gen consoles and works for the female male character. Now, you will need to make your way over to any clothing store on the map, go over to the front counter, go over to the Arena War outfits, and buy the Pogo Space Monkey. Now, back up from the front counter, open up your interaction menu, go over to the style, and click Change Appearance. Now, you should be loading inside of a small room like this. Once you do, go over to the apparel. Put on the apparel, put on any crew t-shirt style that you do want. Doesn't really matter. Back up once, and just go over to save and continue. Now, once you do load into a random GTA 5 online lobby like this, you should have the red pants with the banana suit belt, which is pretty cool. You could put on like a duffel bag, put on badges, merge gloves onto it, you know, do whatever you like on with this outfit, which is pretty cool. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, share with your friends, and let's move on to the last and final clothing glitch of this video. Now, for this clothing glitch, I will be showing you on how to get 2 rare IA badges with racing gloves and visible arms, and yeah, these some racing pants, and also with logos. I forgot to mention this only works for the male character and only the old gen GTA 5 version. You can also do this on new gen, but if you have the old gen GTA 5 version, now go over to any clothing store on the map, save your current outfit on the last outfit slot. Now this would delete your saved outfits, unfortunately. Now open up your pause menu, go over to online and go over to swap character. And once you do load into the small room like this, go over to the second slot character and push edit. And if it says something about copying the rank, obviously you just copy the rank over. Now on the edit part, if it's a female character, just go over to save and continue. And if it's a male character, just go over to the sex and put it a female and push save and continue. Once you do load into a random lobby, open up a pause menu and load into an invite only session. So a clothing store should show for you. And once you're in the clothing store, just go over to any clothing store on the map. Go over to the accessories. And once you're on the accessories, remove any sort of accessories off the female character like this. Now go over to the fitted suit jackets and you will need to purchase the black boating blazer number 11. Now go over to the suit jackets and buy the gold blazer number 56. Go over to the ties and purchase the Fotra straight tie number 15. Now go over to the leather jackets and buy the blue JC jacket number 52. Now go over to the inventory, go over to the bard armor, go over to show armor, and make sure you put on the standard armor. Should be the black one like this. Now go over to the pants section, go over to the leather pants and buy the Mocha Ripped number 41. Now go over to the high heel boots and buy the Deluxe Midnight Combat. Now go over to your inventory once again and make sure you put on the standard armor. After you've done that, go over to the gloves, buy the light woolen tactical gloves number 12. Now go over to the front counter, save this as an outfit on the second outfit slot and just name it logo. Now go over to the sport pants and buy the spotted muscle pants number 1. Go over to the tank tops and buy the off-white cop tank. Now make sure you remove the jacket off the shaved outfit like this. Now go over to the shoe section, go over to the high heel boots and make sure you're wearing the Deluxe Midnight Combat. Now once you've done that, go over to the necklaces and buy the White Pearl necklace number 11. Now once you've done that, go over to the front counter, save this as an outfit on the third outfit slot. Now open up your interaction menu and choose the option to easy way out. And basically once you do spawn outside of the clothing store, open up your pause menu, go over to online and click creator and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now on this menu, go over to create a race, click tutorial and accept the alert that shows up on the screen. Now open up your pause menu, go over to online and choose character. Now you should be loading inside of a small room like this. You will need to delete the female character. After deleting the female character, you will need to hover above the male character on slot number 1 and return to the GTA 5 story mode. Now once you're in story mode like this, open up your pause menu and just load into an invite only session. And once you're in the invite only session, just go over to any clothing store on the map, save your current outfit on the last outfit slot. Now continue to stay at the front counter. Go over to the biker suits and buy any biker suit that you do want. Doesn't really matter. Just buy the one that you do like. Now start up the mission called It's a G Thing. Put the clothing on player saved outfits and invite at least one person to help you out. And once they do join, just launch the mission. Now on the owned outfits, just click one to the right. Now both they are already up, so the mission can start. Now once you do load in, steal any of the street vehicles and make your way over to your apartment building. Now once you're there, delete the first saved outfit, save your current outfit on the 19th outfit slot. Then pull up your phone and quit the job to the jobs just through your phone. And you should be loading into your random GTA 5 online lobby like this. Now once you do load in, just start up the mission called It's a G Thing once again. Now on the clothing, put it on player saved outfits and invite at least one person to help you out. And once they do join, just launch the mission. Now on the owned outfits, just click one to the right. Now both they are already up, so the mission can start. Now once you do load in, basically steal any of the street vehicles and make your way over to your apartment building. Now once you're there, delete the first saved outfit, save your current outfit on the 18th outfit slot, then pull up your phone and quit the job to the jobs with your phone. And basically once you do load in, you should have 2 cool modded outfits which will stick because you save this as an outfit. But yeah, like this video, subscribe if you're new, share with your friends, catch you on tomorrow's video. Peace.